Welcome to the Mahogany Grand by Pulte Homes. Let's go check it out. This floor plan has over 3,100 square feet of living space with 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3.5 to 5 bathrooms. On our website will be interactive floor plans with a list of upgrades and features in this particular home so you know what to expect when buying the Mahogany Grand. To find out what neighborhoods this home is available in, reach out to our team. I'm Tannen Teston, a new construction and buyer specialist here in Orlando, Florida. If you have a large family and want an open feel, but yet privacy with the bedrooms separated with buffers such as bathrooms and closets in between, then the Mahogany Grand is a great choice. The primary suite is tucked away at the rear of the home on one side, with 2 guest bedrooms on the other. The 4th bedroom and private bath is on the 2nd floor, and the optional 5th near the front, which is currently being shown as the flex room, also has the option of turning the powder bath into a full attached bath. The guest rooms are all generous in size at 12.5 by 11.5 square feet. The second story was thoughtfully laid out with the loft directly over the garage, so you won't hear footsteps overhead if you have children or guests upstairs while relaxing downstairs. It also makes for a great space for older kids or multi-generational living. Pulte has some fantastic options for the outside area. This home is shown with the upgraded pocket sliding doors and extended lanai. There's also an option for a pool bath where the outdoor kitchen currently is. This home is part of the Legacy series at The Grow in East Orlando's first Agrihood. It can be built on the 60-foot lots. Check out our other video on lot sizes on our YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like looking at virtual tours of beautiful homes in the Orlando metro area. If you're interested in seeing this model home or any others in the Central Florida area, give our team a call. I'm Tannen Teston with the Teston Team, Orlando Realtor.